Hello traders, I hope you're doing fine. So welcome to another video of Desync Traders YouTube channel. And today we want to talk about the Desync Traders Trading Journal. So for the Desync Traders Trading Journal, it's just a tool that will help you journal your trades in a very simple way, and you can track your performance over time, which is the most important thing as traders you should do. And Desync Traders Trading Journal is a very simple journal to use. If you don't have an account yet, just click on Start Journaling. Once you click on Start Journaling, you can register, create your account, and you can log in and start trading. So once you log in, you can log into your dashboard, and this is how the dashboard looks. It's a very simple to use dashboard, and you just get the performance overview where if you start keying in your trades, all your data will be tracked here and you'll have performance graphs to follow along with. So let's just key in a few trades together so that you can see how the trade journal works. So I'll just pick random trades, then I'll pick gold, then let's say you bought, then the entry price, exit price. So this data is the data you get from the markets when you're trading. So the profit, I'll keep it at 100. Then you'll need a note, like your note. So the notes you took, like what you understood from that market, and you just click on save. So once you click on save, you can see now you have one trade, which the total PNL is the 100, the average PNL 100, win rate 100, and you get this win ratio curve and the equity curve, which shows the cumulative PNL. So that's how you key in the trades. It's very simple. And if you want to view all your trades, you just click on view all trades, and you can view the trades from here, and you can see the notes about each specific trades. You can also edit a specific trades. So let's say you made a loss in this specific trades, let's say negative 100. Now when I click on save, you can see the trade is saved as negative. So when you go back to the dashboard, you can see you have one losing trade and your win rate is 0 because you have one trade and the trade is a losing trade. So this is how you can track your performance over time. Let's say you took another trade on GBP USD by entry price. So you just get the data from your broker where like from your broker when you're trading, then you just come and key in everything here, then you just click on save. So by doing this over time, you will track all your performance, you will know what's your win rate. So right now, because you have two trades and you have one winning trade, one losing trade, your win rate will be at 50%. So by doing this over time, you will have all the information about your trades, and when you come to view all trades, you can see you have all your trades here, and you can still edit, copy, or delete a specific trade in case you don't want. And you can also filter your trades by asset. By, for example, if you want to filter by XAU I just click on filter, then I'll click on apply filters. Now you can see we only see one trade for XAU. Let's say you want to see only GBP you can click on apply filters and you'll see only GBP Also, you can filter by date. So once you have a lot of data, you can filter to just see the monthly data or any specific amount of data you want. So that's how the trade journal currently is, and it's a very important thing to do. Journaling your trade is one of the most important things because you'll be tracking performance of your trading. Also, you can export it as PDF. So when you click export as PDF, the PDF will be downloaded, and once the PDF has been downloaded, you will get the trade journal as a PDF so that you can also share or have it just saved on your local drive. So that's how the trade journal works. Hope you visit the site, the Sync Traders site. Click the link on the video description. Go and try out the Sync Traders site, the journal, and all the other stuff you get there. And with the Sync, you'll master the art of profitability. See you in the next video.